Welcome to another video, the same every time, GCSE Maths, IGCSE Maths, looking at the kind of questions that, apart from the numbers, are the same every time. You can learn how to do them, get yourself into the marks, get yourself into the grades. We're looking at rounding and estimation. Exam question, by writing each number correct to one significant figure, work out an estimate for P. You must show all your working, worth 2 marks. We must do, however, exactly everything that the question asks us to do. So rounding to one significant figure first, P would be approximately equal to this because we're changing the numbers, rounding our numbers. So the first number, 1.6, to one significant figure. Right then, so 1.6, the first significant figure is the first digit from the left-hand side that is not a 0. So 1, there's the cutoff point. Look at the next digit, that's a 6. So if it's 5, 6, 7, 8 or 9, that tells us to round up. So 1.6 to one significant figure will round to make 2. And what have we got next then? 9.6. So 9.6, this I think is one of these slightly funny ones. So 9.6, the first significant figure is the 9. So there's the cutoff point. Look at the next number, that's a 6. Ask yourself, is it a 5, 6, 7, 8 or 9? Yes, it is. So that tells us to round up. So the 9 has to round up, and in this case, the 9 must round up to make a 10. So that's a plus, and that's a 10. Don't forget there was a squared on the original question, so that stays where it is. 5.9, rounding to one significant figure. So 5.9, the first significant figure is the 5. There's the cutoff point. Look at the next digit. Is it a 5, 6, 7, 8 or 9? Yes, it is. So that means the 5 has to round up to be a 6. And I'll write that one in. So there's the 6. And then minus 4.3, rounded to one significant figure. So 4.3, the first significant figure is the 4. There's the cutoff point. Look at the next number. It's a 3. Is that a 5, 6, 7, 8 or 9? No, it isn't. So we don't round up. We stay the same. The 4 stays the same. So now we have our calculation written with all of our numbers to one significant figure. So that's going to be equal to, show all your working. So even though perhaps I could just go in one step now to the answer, maybe, but I am going to show every step of my working. So 10 squared is 100, 10 times 10. So 2 plus 100. Yes, I know that 2 plus 100 is 102. So I could just write 102. But the question says, show all your working. 6 minus 4 is 2. So 2 plus 100 on the top there is 102. Divided by 2. Well, 100 divided by 2 is 50, isn't it? 2 divided by 2 is 1, so 50 and a 1, 51. So there's my final answer. I'll give myself 2 marks for that. Writing each number to one significant figure, showing all the working, that's pretty much what we're aiming for there. Notice that I have shown perhaps one more line than I really needed to in my working, but since the questions say show all your working, possibly it's a good idea to show a little bit more than you strictly speaking need. If the video was useful to you, please press the like button. Please also subscribe. I will return in the next video.